Meet up and exit 1 outside, and went for market tour. It was amazing to see local free market. And took to school, this was cool as well. And the dishes I cooked today were all my favorite. Definable recommend. Smile. The cooking class at Sabieng was one of our favorite parts of our BKK trip. Pim was funny and amazing, very informative and led the class really well. Suitable for children too. Only wish the market tour was a little bit longer. This was a great class. The time in the market was informative and timely. We made 4 dishes, and the flow and timing went well. There were opportunities to ask questions, the instructor modeled and was thorough, and the food was great. I love being able to As for someone who loves Thai food and likes to cook, this has got to be the highlight of our Thailand trip. The facility was very clean and organized, very aesthetically pleasing, even the separate cooking area. The presentation plates and garnishes were also provided by them. You could also get a PDF file of all their recipes, more than the 4 dishes you cooked, and a little souvenir after the class. Definitely a must-try even for someone without it. We enjoyed the market tour with the tuk-tuk ride and the cooking class itself. The cooking studio was very clean and looked great. Everything was prepared and we just needed to cook with the ingredients. The instructor also gave clear explanations and directions before and during the actual. Had a really lovely experience booking a cooking class with Chef Alex. We had a smooth pickup from the front of the MRT station and a short walk to the local market, and it was clear he is at ease educating Thai cuisine newbies. We got a great history lesson. It was also fun experience going back to the cooking school in a tuk-tuk. Also, my first time in one. We came back to the school and the ambience of it was awesome with soft music playing throughout an airy open space with great air conditioning. On today's menu we made Tom Yum Goong, Pad Thai with prawns, green curry with chicken, mango sticky rice. There were also complimentary mangosteens and the chef treated us to. This is exactly how it was advertised. We had a market tour at the start of the activity and went around Klong Toi Market. I even got to buy traditional Thai desserts. First time to ride a tuk-tuk from the market to the school, it was fun. The actual cooking class was very informative and engaging. I had a lot of fun making all the food and interacting with enjoyable experience. The entire session was well-paced, informative and satisfying. It was a great experience overall making the 4 dishes. Pim is an amazing instructor who gave clear instructions and shared a few jokes here and there. She definitely made. Sabieng Cooking School is beyond my expectation. I had the best experience during my trip to Bangkok. The class started with the market tour. After market tour I took a tuk-tuk ride to Sabieng Cooking School, included in the package. Me and my friends were so lucky to have Pim as our instructor that day. She taught us to cook 4 meals. Chef Alex shared great insights to the origins of the Thai cooking ingredients. I learned that Thai garlic is remarkably different from normal garlic emoji. He was detailed in his teaching. For example, he dished out more oil onto the woks nearer the LPG gas canisters because he taught us that the food that is cooking near the canisters will burn up quickly if not more the use of more cooking oil. Chef Alex even taught us the use of the mortar and pestle, which is atypical in the Western kitchen. It was such a memorable day learning cooking with Sabieng Cooking SCH and